I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com with the stock market weather report for Apple Incorporated, January 30th, 2021. Apple is in the technology sector and is in the consumer electronics industry. We take a look at our weekly chart to determine our season, and being above the cloud, it means that we are in summer and we have plenty of sunshine today. On the daily chart, we are also above the cloud, but we are below the red line and below the blue line. Price action is like a hot air balloon, with the buyers turning up, the heat making the balloon go up, and sellers turning down, the heat making the balloon go down. The blue line is our wind line, and the red line is our jet stream. Right now, price action is below both the wind line and the jet stream, so even though it is summer and we have plenty of sunshine, we are trapped below the winds. If we can get above, the weather will be perfect. Our chart starts off with the market action staying above the cloud for quite a ways before it rounds off and comes back down into the cloud and gets a little sticky, is not able to quite get above the cloud. The cloud provides support, but also a little bit of resistance. Market action can't quite get out the top here, falls down into the center of the cloud, then out through the bottom. The bulls regain control, are able to pop it above the wind line, the cloud, and the jet stream into a small consolidation pattern, but can't get it quite more than that. It goes sideways into this next cloud, then falls down underneath where the jet stream provides support. The bulls turn up the heat on the hot air balloon, able to get the market action above the winds and then above the cloud, not able to get it too much further for a bit as we go sideways again until we come down and the top of the cloud and the wind line provides support. And at this point, the market action stays above the wind line for quite a ways. The bears come in and pull it down on quite a few red candle days, all the way down to the bottom to the jet stream. The jet stream provides support again, and we go into another consolidation pattern, this time pulling the wind line down to where it is kissing the jet stream. At this point, it's who's going to be in control. We even have a small doji here of indecision as the bulls and the bears are fighting it out. The bulls regain control, are able to pop the hot air balloon up above the jet stream and the wind line for 3 good days before we have a rounding top, and the bears come in and are able to get the hot air balloon down below the wind line and the jet stream. The wind line and the jet stream are touching again. If the wind line goes below the jet stream, that will be a bearish situation. The market itself is pulling back a little bit, and Apple might have a little bit to do with that. Apple itself accounts for 12% of the NASDAQ 100 ETF QQQ and 6.85% of the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The total stock market of Vanguard VTI, Apple, is 5.28%. So when Apple goes down, it pulls all of these ETFs down. Taking a look at our weekly, we do have a flat blue line here, which is going to give us support at $125. And then the next line of support is the flat line of the blue here, and that's at $116. Let's take a look at what that looks like back over on the daily, and we can see that these lines come in at approximately the flat line here of the cloud, and even the flat line here of the cloud as well. On the daily, the blue line is now resistance. So we have resistance at the top of this candle at $135, or approximately $136. And the red line here is also giving us some resistance at $134. So this is a nice zone of resistance right above our current market action. So from the stock's point of view, if we can get above these two lines, then we might be able to continue our bullish trend up. However, if we come down and get to the support level of 125, it'll be interesting to see if the cloud itself is going to be able to provide us any support. Taking a look at our lagging green line, it is the same as market action, just plotted 26 periods in the past, and we can see that with our cone of possibility in front of it, we do have congestion that it might get caught up in, causing an anchor and not allowing market action to be able to be free and clear enough to continue up. We also have support for the green line at the blue underneath it, and underneath that we do have the red line that can provide support as well. Our forecast shows a green cloud that is getting bigger and growing. We'll see if it's able to provide support if market action comes down and challenges it in the future. This is your stock market weather report for Apple Incorporated, January 30th, 2021. It is summer. We have plenty of sunshine, and the heat index is rising with the humidity. The dew point is also rising. We'll see if that will be able to help keep the balloon above the cloud. I'm William Grantham with Ichimoku Weather.com.